Hey, hello friends. After a long time, welcome to the Be Learning Club. So there is a very common question after learning Python basics. What should you do after learning Python basics? So this is a very common question. Are you confused about this? Then don't worry. This video is dedicated only for you. Just keep watching the video. Now you can see this graph. This graph is the top programming languages nowadays. So now you can see Python is in the top, and then JavaScript and Go language, then TypeScript, Rust, Kotlin, Java, and C++. Okay, so the top programming languages nowadays is only Python. If you see the trend of Python programming uses, so you can see the in the artificial intelligence department, data science, web development, machine learning, and etc. etc. But you just learn the basics of Python. So what should you do? So you can just do two things. I just want to suggest you do web development or machine learning. If you choose web development, then friends, it's very easy. After just learning basics of Python, then you can just easily create some websites with the Python. And there is a very famous framework in the Python is Django and the Flask. So you can use the Django for web development. So this is very simple, friends, after learning the Python basics. Now just come to the machine learning. If you wanted to learn machine learning, then make sure you are good at statistics or mathematics. So there is need some mathematics and statistics behind the machine learning. So if you are good, or just if you know about mathematics and statistics, then you can go with the machine learning. So for web developmenting, no prior knowledge is required. Now I am talking about Python web development. So there is two very famous frameworks, Django and Flask. You can use Django and Flask very easily. For a vast web development, you can use the Django, and friends, believe me, this is very easy. No prior knowledge is required here. So you can choose the web development after learning the Python basics. And why you choose? So nowadays most of things are online, so you just create an idea and just implement it idea through the web development. You just create the idea and implement it by the web development easily, friends, and you can easily create it alone, no group required here, and you can start your own business. So if you don't work with a group, then you can easily create a website alone with the help of Python Django. But if you do machine learning projects, then I think you need help someone, and you can generate money from your own website after you launched it online. So friends, now you have a question. Why not use the WordPress? At first, WordPress is very useful for the blog content. So if you will to create any blog content, then you can use WordPress. But nowadays the competition is very high in the blog website, so your content should be unique, then the success rate will be high. Otherwise the success rate is very low in a blog website, believe me. And your blog website will take lots of time for the success, years of years, months of months. And believe me, competition is very high in the blog website and in the WordPress, and this is very high, and the success rate is very low. But if you have an unique idea for your blog website, then you can go for it. Just do it on WordPress. Do not use Django. And before you have created your blog website, you must have answer of the question why people search your blog content. So if you have the answer of this question, then you can create a blog website with WordPress. But after learning the Python basics, just learn the Django web framework. This will work for you. Machine learning. Machine learning is the type of artificial learning that allows software application to become more accurate at predicting outcomes. So here needs some prior knowledge. If you good at mathematics, statistics, probability, then you can just learn machine learning after learning Python basics. Now, why is machine learning important? Machine learning is important because it gives a view of trends in customer behavior and business operational patterns, and most of the companies use machine learning this time, friends, and it will take a lot of time to learn, but this is one of the best thing you can do after learning Python. And believe me, friends, it's very interesting. if you want to do machine learning, then you can go for it. Why learn? This is much better career opportunities, better salary in long term. It has no boundaries, friends. You can create innovative ideas. You can build new models, machine learning models, and you can also learn data science after it. If you like mathematics and science and statistics, then you should go for it, friends. Gaming development, I will not suggest you. Just choose between machine learning and web development. And Python OpenCV, you can also do that. Python OpenCV is a library of Python building design, and it's used in artificial intelligence. So it's used in face recognition, face detection, edge detection, and etc. So at last, I will suggest you just choose between two, web development or machine learning. Okay, so thank you friends, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.